Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we have a question bordering on logarithm. It says we should find x if 2 log x equals to 4 log 3. Now the first thing we do, this 2 log x, let's remove this 2 from here by multiplying both sides by 1 over 2. This becomes 4 log 3 times 1 over 2. So these 2, we cancel out this 2. Now these 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we have log x equals to 2 log 3. Now from our logarithm, we know that when we have something like this 2 log x, these 2 can come here. So check out our series on the laws of logarithm. So we have log x equals to log 3 to the power of 2. Now log and log can cancel out. This becomes x is equals to 3 to the power of 2, and 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3, which will give us 9, and that's our final answer. The value of x here is 9. That means 2 log 9 is equals to the same thing as 4 log 3. I hope you follow through the solving for today. If you follow through, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Masters, a channel so it's dedicated to demystifying mathematics, make a complex problem look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. If you're here to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till meet again, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.